Hello guys, good morning. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa SneakerCon Nagoya and pakita ko po sa inyo kung ano yung mga pwede nating makuha dito. So tara, samahan niyo po ako. So let's start it with their merch. Ayan. So SneakerCon Nagoya. So the shirt is 5,000 yen or gosen. The hoodie is Ichimang or 10,000 yen. Tignan nyo naman yung quality. So, pwede na. Ayan, SneakerCon since 2009. So, bali guys, bumili tayo ng shirt. XL and L. And meron silang mga stickers dito. Ayan, 500 per pack. And there's a bag. Ayan, ang ganda ng bag nila. So, sa mga travels natin dito sa Japan, we can use it. And siguro next natin dun sa Sneaker Dunk. So, Sneaker Dunk, they have this in Nagoya, Sakae. So, Gensan, konnichiwa. Here is the selection of Sneaker Dunk. So, that's Gensan. My friend here in Snidan. Gensan, hi. So, ito yung shopping bag nila, guys. And they also sell cards. Yan. So, we have selections for the ladies. Ayan. And SB Dunks. So, bali, kumukuha lang ako sa kailan ng pair, pinipicture and pre-order. Kasi kaya naman talaga natin makuha for a reasonable price. And ito, isa sa grails ko, guys. What the P-Rod. Ang ganda, guys, oh. So, they also have Tiffany's there. April Skateboards. Ang ganda. So, tingnan nyo naman. Suede. And ano to, kung ano material man to, para siyang hemp. Tumbled leather. Mix of materials. They go crazy with this collaboration. Ang ganda. We got our items. So, ngayon, next natin is dito sa isang customizer. Ang daming pwedeng magawa dito, guys, kaya lang medyo na-late tayo. Nag-cook pa kasi tayo kahapon eh. So, here we have a lot of Jordan 1s. May Balvin doon. Takashi Murakami design. Ayan. Galing. Galing nila mag-customize. Boots. So, chrome. So, this is Ambush. Ayan. SneakerCon. So, they said that this is an anniversary model just for this venue. Nice. Super nice. Medchak ako eh. So, there you go. So, ito pala yung Instagram nila. Force_Naoki. So, please check them out. Wow. And they also have the old SBs. Oh, Air Force One. I thought it was Dunks. Ay. So, nagka-customize din sila ng Air Force One, guys. There you go. Mukha siyang Dunks. But when you look closely, it's Air Force One, right? Oh, nice.
Original sample.
Original sample. Yes, you can check them out, guys. So that's their Instagram, Force_Naoki. I'll give them a follow later. Arigatou gozaimasu. So that's the artist. So on this side, meron tayong Stan Socks. As usual, Stans is a sock company. Kaya magbenta sila ng socks. Ayan. We have Hitsuji Wood Factory. So this is what they do. Ayan. So ito ang ginagawa nila, guys. So, sneaker box and cap box. As you can see here. Ayan. Cool. Gumenasai. They have it for the high dunks and baby sneakers. Ayan. Baby box. So, that's their price. And paki-follow na lang sila dito sa QR code. Check them out. Dito pala guys, meron tayong nagko-customize, nagre-resole pala. Ayan. Sole jack. So, that's your old soles. Ayan. So, kahit anong sapatos guys. Ayan. Vibram. They use Vibram a lot. Vibram. I'm sorry. Hatsuon. Vibram. So, Vibram or Vibram, I don't know. So, let's see what they do. This is a 993. Ayan. Old version. And they replace it with a Vibram outsole. Ang ganda guys. So, ito yung iba pa nilang ginagawa. Ayan, sole jack. So, ito yung rates nila. For, kung gusto nyo magpalit ng sole, kuwari, gumanga na dito, just give them a call. This is their Instagram. Ayan, sole jack. Kuha tayong isa. So, meron din tayo dito near the entrance. Purple lobsters, special box. Ayan, concepts. And green lobsters, yung special box nila. Sobrang rare, guys. Dito nyo lang makikita yan. So, kanina pa natin ito nakita. Nike SB Dunk Low 7-Elevens. So, guys, meron din tayo ditong Haritos Nike SB Dunk Low with Haritos packaging. Dun sa likod. And Civilist Nike SB Dunk Low. Dog walkers and ano to? Sample. Stample nakalagay. Signed ba to? Jeff Staple? Grabe. Signed pala to guys. So, marami silang SB Dunk Low here. And Crawfish. Ayan. Old release. The most comfortable SBs that you can own. Yung mga old release na SBs. So, here we have IKEA. Air Force Ones. Nice. Supreme Nike SB. Ayan. Bali, ayan yung mga nila. SB Dunk Hemp. Wow. Air Jordan 1 High. 85. Pinakaunang release, guys. So, their store is Collection. So, check them out. Bali, nandito tayo sa isang store. Nagbebenta sila ng shoelaces. Ayan. Supremes. Uy, Carry Me pala to. Ayan o. My favorite sneaker shop in Japan. Carry Me. Din galing tong sneaker na to. Authenticated. Appraised. Reception, yung pangalan ng store na to. Pakaganda. And ito yung nakita natin sa entrance. Yan na kasi yung entrance. So. Bali yung suot natin. Binibenta nila dito. Ayan. Ganda. So, a bunch of New Balances. For those who don't know, nagsisell din sila ng Converse Chuck Taylor 70s. Because in Japan, CP 70s is rare. Unlike in our country. Meron din sila ditong SB Dunk. Ayan. Blue Lobsters. And this one, hindi ko alam kung anong pair yan. We also have Born and Raised Air Force Ones. Also the kit. Meron sila din sa baba. So, meron tayo ditong basketball game. Tapos, one play is 500 yen. So, prices nandun. So, that's the stuff. So, here. Clear shoebox side door. I probably need this because I have lots of shoes. So, we have heel drag protectors here. Ibang ano naman kaysa sa ginagamit natin. We also use this, but ayan siya. Ayan siya, guys. So, that's for Dunks and Jordan 1s. Air Force 1 pwede rin. Ayan. So, meron pa dito sa side na to. Nagko-customize din sila. Tingnan nyo naman, yung gaganda. Ayan. So, that's their Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Ready.the maker. Ayan. So, please check them out. And ito naman, Upheaval Official. So, paki-pause na lang yung video and check nyo sila sa QR code. So, nandito naman tayo sa mga SB Dunks. Luma sila pero napaka-valuable. Just like this. Sobrang taas ng value nito, guys. High Collect. That's their brand. And ito yung mga sapatos nila. Sobrang daming rare. Used, brand new, they have it here. So, ayan. Vintage. Dito naman, guys, yung vintage section nila. Ayan. Yutaka Someya. So, remake clothing. Hindi pala siya vintage, kundi remake clothing. Tapos, ito yung pants nila. Ang weird. Pero, sa Japanese market, usong-uso yung ganyan. Here, we have Bape. Ayan. So, we sell Bape. Pero, hindi ko alam kung magkano eh. 26,400 yen. Kay Tori Okoko pala to, guys eh. Hindi ko pa sila na-feature, pero marami rin silang rare stuff. Meron silang new and old rare stuff. Check nyo rin sila, guys. Kay Tori Okoko or Treasure Bomb. And ayan yung mga selection nila. Supreme Vans. What's that? Balenciaga. Marami silang Bape. Supreme, sakto lang. And 990 V3. Ito, meron tayo nito, guys. Palagi kong sinusuot to. One of the comfiest shoe that I have. Kasi ngayon meron ng bago. Okay. If you want to grab a bite, just check Mr. Donut. Ayan. They have a stall here in SneakerCon. Dito tayo sa kanan. So, this brand is Water the Plant. This is their design. Para siyang Golf Le Fleur. Brand ni Tyler, the Creator. So, this is their stall. They also have merch here, guys. Ayan. SneakerCon Nagoya. Nerd Unit. Nice. They have socks there. And ayun lang, guys. Accessories pala meron sila. Ayan. That's their accessories. They have lots of panda colorways of what they sell here. Hashtag or number sign sa mga oldies katulad ko. We also have here Nike Air Force One Low Shibuya. We sold it before. Ayan. Dun sa friend ko. Ganda, guys. So, they're selling it here. Brand new. Still brand new. Balik natin sila. Ayan. Ito ngayon ko lang nakita to. Chinese New Year. Jordan 1 Low. Ganda, oh. So, this is a canvas material. Ayan. Tapos, meron siyang tassel sa mga nakita nyo sa, sa Chinese. And basically, that's it. Ayun yung mga selections talaga dito, guys. Tapos, ayun. Concepts and Nike SB Dunkai Nagoya, since we're in Nagoya. So, you can see it there. SB Dunkai Nagoya. What the Dunks. Makita nyo lang yan dito. So, SB Dunkai Ueno, meron din sila. Well, ako alam ako kung saan ito makikita. Malapit sa bahay natin. Daiju ba this?
No touch.
No touch. But video.
Video is fine.
Ayan. Ayan. SB Dunkai Nagoya. Tignan natin kung anong binibenta nitong store na to, guys. So, they have lots of selections here. Ranging from Uptempos, Jordan 4s, SB Dunks. And meron ulit sila ng Flip the Old School. Yung suot natin ngayon, Flip the Old School, guys. So, Ewan ko. Appreciated talaga to sa Japan pero sa ibang bansa, not so much, I guess. Flip the old school. So, and Nike SB Dunk Low Pro. Atmos. Oh my God! Ito yung pinakaunang gusto kong hype sneaker, guys. Nakita ko dito. Para akong tanga dati, kala ko mura lang to. Saan makakita nito, guys? Nag-post ako dati nito eh. Air Max 90 Moon Landing. And Lunar Lawn yung midsole niya. And pristine condition. You can rarely see it with this condition. Grabe. Ang ganda. Okay. Let's place it carefully there. So 3M nga pala yung material niya. Ang ganda, guys. That's what I love about Japan. Kasi dito yung makita yung mga rare sneakers. Mga old era SBs, kung ano-ano pa. Hello guys, so meron din pala tayo nakita dito na Kith G-Shock collab. So, meron tayo niyan ng Bape na benta natin dati. And ito yung mga selection nila. E minor sneakers. Ayan. Ito yung logo nila, EMNR. So, check them out sa Instagram. Meron din tayo ditong brand, Japanese brand, Sapure. They released a jacket for 2024. Ayan. Rodman shirts. Favorite brand ng FR2 staff sa Nagoya, Shinsuke and Hibiki-san. Shout out sa inyo. And here, they have socks. So, check my kicks. Ang cool. So, nagbebenta rin siya ng basket, guys. Ito. Kay Mono. Kay Mono basket. So, ano to? Cargo base. Cargo pants nila. Ayan. Pwede tayong bumili dito, guys, if ever. So, this is Dickies. Sapure collaboration. Ayan. Ganda, guys. So, we have medium, large, extra large, and XX large. Ayan. Extra large. So, sa pure pants. High quality pants. There you go. So, if you happen to go to Japan, please check them out if ever you have the chance. Pero, I think wala silang physical store. Sa mga van lang sa nagbebenta, katulad nitong nakikita nyo. At yun nandun sa kabila. And here, ito naman yung ano nila, mga jackets, corduroy jackets. Napakamahal nito sa Sneaker Dunk, guys. Almost 50,000 yen. But here, you can only have it half the price, almost half the price. They have it in brown and in red, or red, black and red. So, let's go over here. Ito naman yung Rodman jackets nila. Ang ganda, guys. Ang ganda ng quality niya. So, it's like FR2 pricing. Uy, meron din pala silang bag. Military bag. Cool. So, tote bag. Ayan. Doon tayo sa kabila. So, yeah, Cherish and Co. Sa Pure Pants. So, here, offer jackets. Down jacket, ayan. So, meron din sila ditong playground. Mga old na kicks. Terminators. Tapos yung mga Air Jordan 1. 85. Ayan. J185. Meron din silang pang baby. Grabe, no? Paano kaya nila ito kinurate? Ang cool. So, dun sa taas, maraming Terminator, guys. May malaking Terminator sculpture dun sa taas. So, kaya ko nalaman yun sa Pure, guys, dahil sa FR2. Kasi they have a collaboration with FR2 before. And you know, I'm friends with the F42 staff. So, they told me about it. So, maganda rin talaga kumakaibigan ng mga Hapon, lalo na pag residente ka, guys. Marami ka kasing malalaman. So, we only have this, guys. So, yun lang binili natin. So, we're hoping for a shirt, but to no avail. They don't have it. Hi, arigatou gozaimasu. So, this is Vanilla, one of the staff here in MFC store. So, ayan. So, they have Vans here. And, what they said? Gacha gacha. Ah, gacha gacha. Doko desu ka? So, gacha gacha. Gachapon. You can win these sneakers. Ayan. One gacha gacha is equal to 3,000 yen. So, this is what you can win. Travis. Trophy rooms. Trophy rooms ba to? Tama ba? Trophy rooms, Travis. LNF. So, yung mga iba, nakuha na. So, one of my friends in Nagoya, MFC store. With Sumomo-san and Captain. Chato. Ay, matane. Ato. So, pwede kayong manalo, guys. Ayan. Yung mga pwede pang mapalunan. Imagine, 3,000 yen. 3,000 yen lang. Grabe. Nanalo siya, oh. It's either you can keep it if size nyo or sell it if hindi nyo size or trade it to something, di ba? You can start from there. Tignan nyo naman, guys. That's only 3,000 yen. 1,200 pesos equivalent. Nanalo siya ng LNF Chicago Ones. What a lucky guy. So, eto pala yung iba pa nilang pwedeng makuha. So, 1,000 yen. Ito yung pwede nyo makuha. 1,000. There you go. And araming pila doon, guys. Tignan nyo naman. So, hello guys. So, tapos na tayo dun sa SneakerCon. Medyo onti lang din yung tao kasi first SneakerCon and Nagoya kasi isn't accessible. Unlike sa Tokyo and Osaka, di ba? Kaya mas onti yung pumunta. And nakita ko dun si Dane Grospe ba yun? Yung sa Phenomenal Soul. Gusto ko sanang batiin kaya lang nahiya ako. And ano pa ba? Maganda naman yung venue. And marami rin akong nakitang rare talaga na SB Dunks. Tulad ng Nagoya. SB Dunk Nagoya. Yun yung pinakagusto ko sa lahat. Kasi, well, tubong Nagoya tayo. So, lahat ng makita natin na Nagoya exclusive o ano man, bali maganda para sa panangin ko. So, yung nakita ko rin din SB Dunk High Osaka. May takoyaki. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. So, bali pakita ko sa yung pinamili namin ni Mrs. Mamaya, guys. Hello guys, so bali nakabalik na tayo dito sa bahay and ito yung nabili natin na perso. Bali 3 items lang siya, guys. And first off, we have this Sapure socks. Ayan. Gusto ko sana bumili ng Sapure, kaya lang ayoko yung jacket nila, parang underwhelming. Parang mas gugustuhin ko pa yung FR2. Kung collaboration sana yun with FR2, sige. Pero I'm looking for shirts talaga eh. And pakita ko sa inyo. Yan. So it says here, Sapure. And yung slogan nila dito for this year is make your own. So next natin, guys, is this SneakerCon since 2009. So ito ang official merch nila. Binibenta lang to sa SneakerCon or if may nagre-resell ng shirts na to, pwede kayong bumili sa kanila and maganda yung quality. For 5,000 yen ang kapal ng tela. Ayan. So, there you go. SneakerCon. Medyo oversized yung binili ko. And ito naman yung kay Mrs. Bali, wala pala itong backprint, guys. So, ang nakita nyo lang SneakerCon. So, makikita nyo ito sa mga next few weeks pag mag-hook tayo. Unfortunately, hindi ko pa siya mapapakita kasi ngayon ay winter. Kailangan natin mag-jacket, diba? Next natin, guys, ay maganda yung kay Mrs. eh. Bali, ito yung kinuha niya. So, this is a size large. Pambahay niya raw to. Ayan, ang ganda. So, bali siya. Ito siya, guys. Sneaker Con Nagoya. Ayan. Tapos sa likod, ayan, Nagoya. Sneaker Con. So, ang ganda. Sayang lang kasi wala yung black nito. Kung may black, yun na lang bibiling ko eh. Pero okay na rin to. Galing pumili ni Mrs. eh. So, ayan. Bali, yun yung nakuha natin sa SneakerCon. Gusto ko sana magbenta rin ng sneakers, kaya lang masyadong marami tayong bibit-bitin. Ayoko ng ganun. Kahit pa magkotse kami ni Mrs. Kasi ayoko yung nagtatrabaho. Gusto ko lang kasi pagpupunta sa mga ganong event, ini-enjoy ko lang yung event. So, bali, enjoy naman. Marami kasi akong nakitang mga rare pairs doon. Underappreciated. Kasi ang alam lang ng karamihan yung mga new releases, 'di ba? Na sobrang hype like Travis. Sa totoo lang, hindi ko naman talaga gusto yung Travis. Parang sakto lang. Siguro yung unang release, pero yung mga sumunod na, ewan ko. Galabas na lang sila ng iba't ibang kulay. And they call it a day. You know, parang pera lang talaga. Habol nila. Hindi na for sneaker culture talaga. So, next natin guys is papakita ko sa inyo yung suot ko. Hello guys, so here's our outfit of the day. So, starting with our sneakers. This is the Nike Dunk Low Flip the Old School. Ayan siya. So, this is actually gifted to me last 2 years. And on the lateral side, inverted yung swoosh niya. Mismatch din yung kulay niya. So, ito siya. Gusto ko to kasi ostrich leather. Actually, pinagpilian ko to in Travis Scott pero mas nagustuhan ko to. I don't know why. I just like it. So, ayan. Heel tab niya is inverted. Imbes na Nike, Ekin yung nakalagay. Ayan. So, as you can see, meron siyang heel drag protector na misalign na. Sobrang gamit. It's actually one of my favorite sneakers that I use. And dito naman, Kick 6 laces. Yan, lace swap. Both shoe. Yan. So, ang next natin is yung socks. So, this is an Atmos socks. It looks funny kasi meron akong warmer sa loob. Yan. Atmos. So, for winter, kailangan nyo magsuot nito. So, this is a Uniqlo Heat Tech warmer. And our pants is from GU, courtesy of my wife. It was gifted to me last Christmas. Ayan, ang ganda. Medyo oversized lang. And sa taas natin, sinuot ko na muna yung sneaker ko Nagoya. Pero kanina, naka-jacket tayo. Pero ito yung fit sa akin. Ganda guys. Ganda quality ng shirt nila. So, wala siyang backprint. Tapos, ito naman yung jacket natin kanina. This is a Supreme jacket. Ayan. Fall Winter Collection. Buti nakuha tayo nito. Ito naman siya sa harap. Simple jacket lang siya sa harap. Pero yung likod, bongga, no? Ayan. Here's the tags. Supreme. Large. So, that's it guys. Hello guys. So, bali, dito na po nagtatapos ng video. And do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, maraming salamat and see you on the next episode. Bye-bye!